हांवें ऑलरेडी हांवें कळयलां म्हाजें एकूच आहा की हांव कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टराक सगळ्यांक मेवता आनी कॅबिनेट घे म्हणटा आनी गव्हर्मेंटाचें कितें डिसिजन तें सांग म्हणटा आनी म्हजें पर्सनल कांयच ना हांव ऑप्शनाकूय आसा सगळ्याक आसा पूण म्हाका गोंयचें मायनींग कंटिन्यू जावपाक जाय म्हजो होच विशय हांव खंय ना लीज होल्डर वा मायन होल्डराचेर उलयना कॅबिनेट गोंयचें डिसिजन लोकांक सांगया आमी कितें डिसायड करता तें सेंट्रलांतल्यान आमकां कितें डिसिजन घेवपाक जाय सो ह्यो गोश्टी हांव सांगलां आनी गरज पडटा तेन्ना हांवें सांगलां तेणें म्हाका आतां दोगांनी प्रॉमिस केला विजय बाबा आनी रोहन बाबा की खंय तरी आमी लूक आउट टू फ्रॉम कॅबिनेट एंड गीव आवर डिसिजन असेंब्ली डिसिजन ऑलरेडी गिवन दे हॅव टू कन्वर्ट इट टू कॅबिनेट डिसिजन एंड सेंड इट टू द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट
सो कॅबिनेट घेवंक मेळटा तांकां एज पर द
चीफ सेक्रेटरी इज सिटींग हियर एडवायजिंग देम लेट देम गेट एडवाइज लेट अस सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग I'm there, we are there, I'm there, I'm aware.
No, but what do you have asked them? Take a cabinet meeting.
No, see, government, see, today if you go to the center, they ask, what is your government's view? Where is the government? So, cabinet is the government.
Okay.
So, today they are unable to take the government. There is a cabinet decision. So, my request to them, find means to find the cabinet and remove a decision and convey to the center. I am not saying that you take my decision, what I have taken in expressing myself.
Cabinet decision.
Whatever decision cabinet feels, at least express. Let us see where we lead to. Yes, this is what I'm asking.
So you're asking, take a cabinet.
Take a cabinet and decide what is the state of the government role in this. What is the future? How do we go ahead?
So what is the state? What is the status of cabinet on mining?
Discussing with honorable Chief Secretary Sahib, honorable ministers are there, Chief Secretary Sahib, and they will come out with some solution.
Sir, as Cabral met you all, he has said that cabinet is the only decision where cabinet ministers has to take on mining issue and all. And he has requested you all to look at
the mining issue is a serious issue. For practical purposes, on the 16th, mining activity will come to a stop in. Now, how long that stop will be, whether it will be a halt or a full stop or what, is in the realm of speculation for the future. We cannot talk about it today. But fact remains that there will be a huge impact on 16th. Now, cabinet has to discuss serious issues which affect the state. We cannot be oblivious to such a situation. And the sense of the House, the Legislative Assembly, is already known to the people and known to the cabinet.
Okay.
So we may have to endorse the sense of the House, for which we have to meet. Now, the process of meeting, holding a cabinet meet, whether it is by video conference or whichever way, has to be set in motion.
Okay.
And we have discussed about this, and we will take necessary steps on Monday.
So you all will take a step whether to take or not on cabinet.
The point is,
process.
One cannot wish away this issue. This issue is there. We have to tackle it. There is a huge social fallout. There is also an issue of, I was asked by the media today about Mr. Jindal tweeting.
Correct.
So, I am surprised. It looks as if this government is not existing. Somebody is tweeting from Delhi and telling us how we should decide our policies. I don't know how I tweeted, but when my reaction was asked, I only said that I knew that Jindal imports coal. And now that Jindal is going to, coal is already causing a huge pollution. He is now trying to take over our mind. खूप वर्षां पयलीं आमी ओपिनियन पोलाच्या विरुद्ध झगडलेले गेले. We were fighting against merger.
Correct.
Today it has been declared that we are coming to gobble up your state. See, my party and myself are of the firm view. Jindal imports coal. And now that Jindal is going to, coal is already causing a huge pollution. He is now trying to take over our mind. खूप वर्षां पयलीं आमी ओपिनियन पोलाच्या विरुद्ध झगडलेले गेले. We were fighting against merger.
Correct.
Today it has been declared that we are coming to gobble up your state. See, my party and myself are of the firm view that Goan economy should be in Goan hands. Mining and tourism are the backbone of our economy. They should remain in Goan hands as much as possible.
So you are strictly against the auctioning?
No, I am not talking about auctioning. I am talking about somebody declaring on a tweet what we should do.
You condemn such statement?
I say I don't condemn it, but I am shocked. I am shocked.
Now you are
because that tweet is directed at the Goa CM.
No, correct.
It says at Goa CM.
Now you are one of the member, being a minister in the TRICO committee member. How would you how the TRICO committee members tackle this issue now? Because it relates to in your hands. You all are the main lead.
The point is, it is not only about the 3 member cabinet advisory committee. It is also about the cabinet. It's about also the sense of the house. A unanimous view was there in the house.
Oh, correct.
That Goan mining should remain in Goan hands.
Okay.
I think this was the view.
Yeah.
So the sense of the house should not be lost on the cabinet or even the cabinet advisory committee. So we have to tackle it. We have to sit and discuss it because we cannot just be oblivious to it.
So the cabinet, there is a need for a cabinet meet. You also feel beyond this issue.
Naturally, because tomorrow we find we are looking at a huge retrenchment. Boy, Supreme Courtan decision दिला ताजो रिजल्ट असो जातलो की 16 तारखेक मायनिंग
बंद जातले.
आम्ही कॅबिनेट मेळ्ळे म्हणून मायनिंग चालू उरचे ना. मायनिंग बंद जाताच. आता ते कितले मेरेन बंद उरतले? 4 महिन्यान सुरुवात जातले काय ते 2 वर्सांनी सुरुवात जातले काय ते सारखे शासनाक बंद जातले. These are all issues to be considered. So तशें ताजेर हें करूंक जायना.
Lele and Cabral has said that on the to resolve mining issue, to come out with a certain conclusion, the cabinet has to meet. What is your say? And he has also met you, Vijay Sardesai, also on the issue. What is your say?
No, we have had a meeting jointly.
Okay.
I think issues are being discussed on what should be the next step. But I think the 3 ministers who are a part of the core committee should meet and discuss and take the things. We have shared our thoughts of the cabinet. But I think the 3 ministers also should get the things together. And cabinet जायला घेऊन रोखडीच कन्व्हे करची पडटली.